how to fix Instagram black screen issue easily and fast. Hello guys, so in this new tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you have to do guys is very simple. Open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps, go to the Instagram, and now all what you have to do is click on notifications management, and then go to the Instagram uh, direct messages. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here is it. Instagram direct requests. Click on it and then disable it and enable it again, and make sure that the priority display is enabled like this. Now all what you have to do is click on force stop to the app and then reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.